Do what you want, mate. Don't worry about it. You as well. You just cut the corner. What the... Well, welcome back and welcome to you fine people that have come over from AndyManCam. Yes, last week me and Andy went down to the Harz mountains for the weekend and buggered around there for a couple of days. If you did miss that video, then links for that are in the description below or in the top right hand corner. Again, there'll be links to Andy's version of events on that that weekend out and links to his channel, so if you want to check out Andy's stuff, I'm sure he'll be happy to have you on board. So this is just a sort of quick update. It's probably going to be the last video I'm going to do before I set off on my European tour, setting off on the 8th of June. I'm going away for 11 days down to Black Forest, the Swiss Alps and the French Alps. So I'm probably not going to get any videos done before that, just this one. But if you do want to keep up to date with that trip, then links to my social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, will be in the description below. So if you want to follow the tour, I'll be posting various pictures and short live streams, I'm sure, of where I am, what I'm doing. So if you want to keep up with that, then be sure to leave them a like on the Facebook page and it will notify you then whenever I post something. If you want to keep up to date, be happy to have you come along. I'm going to be setting off on the 8th, riding all the way down to the Black Forest, spending 2 nights in the Black Forest. I've been to the Black Forest many times, but always on the way to the Alps or the way back. So I've just sort of ridden through, but this time I'm actually going to spend a few days there, or 2 nights I'm there, and yeah, have a mess around down there. From there I'm going to be setting off and spending 4 nights in the Swiss Alps. Hotel is just on the doorstep for the Grimsel Pass. Hopefully they're going to be open. There's been a lot of snow in the winter last year, so they're just sort of clearing all the passes now. So hopefully a lot of them are going to be open. I went there last year, but I couldn't get on them due to bad weather. So hopefully you can get that done this year. From there I'm then travelling down to the French Alps, where I'm going to be spending 3 nights, and that's completely new to me. I haven't been there at all yet. Done a lot in Austria, Switzerland and Italy, but never in the French Alps, so I'm really looking forward to that. And then I've given myself from there 2 days to get home, so I'm going to be doing a 1-night stop somewhere just west of the Black Forest in France, and then 1 night at the Nürburgring. So depending on how or what time I get there, 18th and 19th I'm going to be at the Nürburgring, so hopefully get a lap or 2 around there. I've checked the Nordschleife and the GP circuit are both open on them days for tourists, so might be able to get on both, which is a good thing. I'm travelling on my own this year. I was going with a friend of mine, but he's been taken ill, so he's had to cancel. I did think about cancelling the whole trip and doing something else, maybe going to UK, as my folks have just moved up to Scotland, and I thought maybe I'd do that, but I thought nah, you know, I've organised it all, I've been really looking forward to it, I've changed money, I've planned all the routes and hotels, so I thought I'll just go. I'm just going to go on my own, which means I can concentrate on filming it all, which is better. I can make better content. I haven't got to worry about anybody else. You know, the guys I ride with aren't vloggers, so it can be a bit of a nose for them if I'm filming or I want to stop and take pictures, etc. So I can concentrate on making good content while I'm there, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so I'll be returning home from the European tour on the 19th. I've got a day off after that before I go back to work, because I'll be absolutely chin strapped. So yeah, and then from there, end of July, I've already booked up another vloggers meet, which I enjoyed it so much with Andy, and I thank you to Andy again for coming down and meeting up with me and putting up with my drivel, although we seem to be on the same sort of wavelength. It's nice obviously when you ride with your friends, you share a common interest and passion for bikes, but vloggers, it takes it that bit further. You know, creative people, we all want to take nice pictures and film and be creative and make stuff, so it's even nicer to share that sort of experience again with somebody else, and you haven't got to worry about, oh, I need to stop and change a battery. You know, is everybody going to be annoyed if I keep stopping and doing all this filming malarkey? But with somebody like that, you know, they share the same interest, so everybody's happy to do it. So yeah, another Moggers fleet another vloggers meetup on the 27th of July. We're heading down to Sauerland, which is another place that I ride a lot. A beautiful place in Germany, similar to sort of Harz. So we're going to be meeting up with Andy's coming again, Bulldog Gaz is one of them, another guy who lives in Hamburg, and Teapot One. So he's coming from UK, so we're going to meet up, 4 of us, and mess around in Sauerland. That's going to be a 2-night trip. Not sure how we're going to get around doing a dual vlog, because even just with 2 people, me and Andy, I edited that video. Again, if you missed it, links are in the top corner. It took me 2 weeks to edit that thing. It takes for absolute ever when you've got, you know, audio files and video files from other people, and if there's 4 of us, that's going to be an absolute nightmare. So I'm not quite sure the logistics of that video, how that's going to work, but we shall figure something out, I'm sure. Yeah, that's pretty much it then for today. Just a short vid, just an update, just to let you guys know what's happening over the next sort of few weeks. As I said, this video is going to be the last vlog I do before going on my European tour, so look out for that. And just to welcome you new guys on board from coming over from AndyManCam's channel. Nice to have you on board, and hopefully you'll be continuing to watch my videos throughout the season. And yeah, just to thank you and just to say hello. So until next time, take care.